Okay guys, so this is Matt,
Hi.
I'm Alex. We just, well, here's our quadcopter, and after a couple of weeks of work we finally got it to the point where we can control it with an accelerometer, so gesture-based control for a quadcopter.
We got the accelerometer here, and it sends the values into the XBee, and the XBee takes it into the digital input, and then it goes into the computer, and then it comes back out. Well, this here is a sketch for the motor controls for the controller board, and then we have another one. We have a little bit of processing in MATLAB done as well, and then we have some command line prompt just to activate for throttle control, just to get it going. So then I can go like this, and it should go up to a hover state, and hopefully stay there. But we'll see. We have the battery here as our power supply. That's my car battery. Comes out through this cable here, connects in, and then we have the Arduino Mega, and then we have the XBee here that gets controls from my computer, from the accelerometer values, and then we have our receiver here as well.
It multiplexes the data to make sure that it's all contained properly so it can actually hover.
Yeah. And then underneath there we have another power supply there, so we don't drain too much juice.
It gives a little bit of extra juice to the motors just to ensure that they've got enough gas.
And then we have our controller board. We have our controller board under here. Everything's fed out through our ESCs back to our prompts, and if everything works as planned, it should fly. Let's see how it goes. I should be able to get this to oscillate back and forth. Whoa! Okay, so we're going to test the yaw controls here. So just moving back and forth on just one solid plane. It's a little bit delayed, and as you can see from the quadcopter, it's a little off balance as well. So we'll see how it goes. So the accelerometer has a double tap function that we're taking advantage of, and when you double tap after it's a hover, it'll go into that oscillatory manner, and we're hoping it's going to knock the beer cans off the table. We'll see how it goes. Oops. Okay, so we're going to do the double tap function again. This will put the quadcopter into attack mode, and it's going to come back in that oscillatory fashion and knock the beer can off the table. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so we got the double tap function with the accelerometer. Double tap puts into attack mode, where it goes back and forth in that oscillatory manner until I double tap again, then it exits attack mode. The goal is to knock the beer cans off the ottoman. See how it goes. So we got the double tap function again. I double tap, puts into attack mode, where it goes swoops in and swoops back autonomously. Hopefully we're going to hit the beer can off the ottoman there. And then I press double tap again, and it exits attack mode. See what happens. so we got the accelerometer double tap function. We double tap, puts into attack mode. It's going to go forward and backwards. Hopefully it's going to knock those whole stack of cans down. We'll just see how it goes here. Yeah, so we're looking at the oscilloscope there. We realized that the reason why the double tap function wasn't working for the Operation Kill was because in the oscilloscope we could see the signal train going through to the ESCs, and when it multiplexed it was slightly out of phase, so it kind of threw the whole thing out of whack here. We'll just see how this new code goes here. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, so me and Alex made a bet, and I bet him $15 you could do a barrel roll. Use a little bit of Elmer's white glue here to stop the props from flying off. Oh yeah, she's great. Just fire up and see who wins the bet.